Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Lost Vibe. Daily Lost Vibe is back. It's snowing guys. Can you guys beat this? I think we are gonna have white Christmas this December 2024. We are going to check out what's going on. Come along with me, shall we?
Oh, holy night. This
Fabulous friends, can you guys believe the snow? This snow just started pouring down. I am out here. I am loving it. Let's enjoy the snow together. This is so cute. White Christmas coming up. Yes, my friends, let's do some groceries. We are just gonna do a little bit. I told you I'm walking up and down, and I decided to just stop by and grab one or two things. Let's grab it together. Guys, we are gonna be cooking this right here. This one is not sour, I think. No, just this one is on sale. I'm not a lover of raspberry. I just don't like it. I was sticking my blueberry for $5. Okay. Let's see. I'll just do a little bit of grocery. Because, trust me, the groceries, they just don't last long. Especially when you have family members that eat. That's $5 too, by the way. Right? So usually I'll pick some mangoes. The mango is $3 per one. It's kind of tough, right? No, it's not. I guess I'll hide it if I can eat it. Let's keep moving. I'm not buying bananas today, but I'm gonna grab me some of these. And because why not, right? I love it, trust me. Okay. I'm trying to, because it's winter season, so you have to try to incorporate. I'm scared of the salad now, because the something is going on with the salad. Okay, I want to make a fried rice. No, I am gonna be buying one of this one.
oh, holy night. The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices for yonder race, a new and glorious morn. Oh, fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices, oh, night, night, when Christ was born, led by the
I'm a fabulous friends that don't have what I want to buy for my fried rice. Big problem. Okay, I need chicken nugget. So this chicken nugget right here, it's in haven't tried that homemade chicken nugget, you are missing out. Okay, I need that right there. And right here, maybe I haven't. If you wanna like, nah, too expensive. Sorry.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining till he appeared, and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world voices for yonder race, a new and glorious morn. Oh, fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices all night. Yeah.
Little groceries that we can have for the week. Comment down below. Do you do groceries every week, every weekend? You know what I mean? Every week, every weekend, y'all gotta do some groceries. So, okay, we're gonna pick up the milk. Yeah, your girl is trying to drink milk more, so I'm sticking with the 2%. Your girl's been lacking and drinking milk. Trust me. But I think the 2% has been helping me lately. You know. So I need some veggies for the fried rice. Let's grab the veggies right here. That is so good. Look at that. Hey, I love to mix it this way. To mix it this way. You know? I usually mix it with my noodles like that, but for this fried rice thing, I think that's gonna work as well. Let's keep shopping.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining till he appeared.
It's not much groceries, but just a little bit here and there. They don't really have things I want. Let's see. They were telling me they're upstairs with these things, but by the time you look at them, sometimes I double check the stores online, because trust me, you'll be surprised that you're gonna see some deals online and they don't have it where you are shopping. So like right here, I usually want to check this out. You know, gotta do the laundries, right? And this thing doesn't come in cheap. You see how much is it? That one, you see the price? They ain't coming cheap. And before you know it, you're done with that. Look at the tide. You see the tide? So I love to like check them out. If they have sales, be able to just grab them, right? Yeah. Let's check out, because we are just buying a little bit. I'll catch up with you guys later.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining.
Yes, my fabulous friends, I'm gonna take you guys along on how I make my fried rice. The way y'all make it might be different, but this is the way. Sometimes I make it, sometimes I just mix it up here and there. But on this day, this is how I'm gonna make it. When it comes to fried rice, you can, add as many ingredients that you want. But do not forget, I did not get all the ingredients, so I am gonna make use of what I got. Let me take you guys along how I make my fried rice. Yes, my fabulous friends. We are gonna make fried rice, and I wanna take you guys along how I make my fried rice. Yeah, remember I was looking for the ingredients, boy. You're going to see all the ingredients, but I'm just gonna make it work right now. I will be taking you guys along how we had this to our groceries or shopping vlog. Can y'all believe it? We are in day 16 of our Vlogmas. Day 16, guys. I hope you are enjoying it so far. Yes, y'all remember I told you I have all this pepper at home, so I am gonna be cutting, and we are gonna make fried rice together. The way I know, it might not be perfect, but y'all just gonna rub it up. I'm just gonna mix everything together, and now we are gonna chop all these peppers. We're gonna chop them bit by bit. This is the peppers I have at home, so this is the hot part. I've got my oil. I've got it on the stove that I'm gonna be frying the onions. Yeah, we are gonna, as you guys know, when it comes to fried rice, they say if your fried rice have to be colorful, right? That's the point of the fried rice. So we are gonna be adding this green pepper as well. This is the hot part of fried rice, and we are gonna be chopping the onions as well. As you know, we need the onions for sure. Oops, oops, oops. Your baby girl just made Your baby girl just made a mess, but we keep moving. Cooking, it's not easy. No. Oh well, we are gonna enjoy it. By the time we are done, we are gonna put in shrimps, guys. So we are cutting the shrimps. I love the shrimps to be not too big because you want it to be as, to be pronounced in it, right? So I love to chop it like three or four because it's a big shrimp. But if you have the small shrimps, you don't need to cut it. So y'all can see. So this is a big one. It's gonna be too big, so I love to like chop it 3 or 4 just to have it a reasonable size. So when you pick it, you won't have to be biting it. You can just pick it 1 spoon with your eyes and put it right in your mouth. And right here we are gonna be putting our onions. As you guys know, we have so many ways of making fried rice. It just depends on how you know how to make it, right? I love to fry my shrimp. You remember? I love to fry that. You gotta be careful when you are doing this part, because you know when you fry. You just had all the ingredients that you have at home to make it as yummy as you like it. So right now that we have the broth, for sure we are gonna taste it. I had a little bit of curry into it, and I stir it. Already cooked me the white rice, right? You have to first of all cook the white rice. Like parboil it. When you do that, you have to parboil your white rice. When you parboil your white rice, that's when you're not gonna add it right inside your mix right here. Gonna add.
Oh, holy night, the dear Savior's birth.
Until you get your perfect color, you gotta do a lot of stirring, guys. You gotta like a lot of mixing. Gotta mix it together. And this is the time you are gonna be adding your veggies. I got a little bit of veggies that I've already. I'll always parboil these veggies, not the pepper though. The veggies, the carrots, you know what I mean. The beans, I always parboil it. I parboiled this already. Gonna dump that right in. Now remember the pepper, our mighty colorful. We are gonna dump that right inside of it. Right? We are gonna dump it. We are gonna give it another mix. We're gonna now mix everything together. Y'all see the color? Can y'all see the color of that fried rice? Y'all see the color? Let's chit chat right there in the comment section. Thank you so much for coming along for us to do our groceries and for us to make our fried rice together. Y'all see the color? Y'all see the color? Y'all see how colorful it is? That is the point. I will catch up with you guys later. Thank you so much for coming along. Thanks for your support. You know I appreciate that. Support your girl by subscribing. Please do not forget to do so. Leave a like, smash that like button, and I will catch up with you guys later. Bye for now. The color is not, yeah, y'all see the color right here? Yeah. The color of the camera is actually not giving the color. It's colorful. But y'all can see a little bit. Bye for now. Thank you.